Hello everyone, I am Wamiq currently pursuing LLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently I am also legal intern at LEXIS and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is right to education, an important fundamental right. So an illiterate or a man without education is no more than an animal. Education emancipates human beings and leads them to the path of knowledge and gets them liberated from ignorance. Education is indeed a constant process of development of innate natural powers of man. Education is a most powerful weapon and necessary mechanism for the advancement of human beings. It enlarges, enriches, and improves the individual's image and knowledge that leads him to the right path of success and happiness. Education is the very foundation of good citizenship. Today, it's a principal instrument in awakening the child to cultural value in preparing or the later professional training and in helpful him to adjust normally to the environment. It is the rightly said that the child is the future of the nation. Both at national and international levels, efforts are being made to educate more and more people. As education contributes to the development of the society which is consistent with the dignity of the human being, United Nations on 10th December 1948 adopted Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The preamble to the UDHR stated that every individual and organ of society shall strive by teaching and education to promote respect for these rights and freedoms. In accordance with the preamble of UDHR, education should aim at promoting human rights by imparting knowledge and skill among the people of nation states. Illiteracy has many adverse effects in a democracy governed by the rule of law. Educated citizens could meaningfully exercise their political rights, discharge social responsibilities, satisfactory and develop a spirit of tolerance and reform. Therefore, education is the most desirable necessity for the overall development and stability of democracy. About 100 years ago, Gopal Krishna Gokhale urged the Imperial Legislative Assembly to confer on the Indian people the right to education. The goal has been realized a century later. The government has finally come over all the odds and given effect to the Right to Education Act from 1st April 2010. The right to education is now a fundamental right for all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. India joins the list of few countries where right to education is a fundamental right. The Act promises to ensure education for all children between 6 to 14 and a whopping 24 children, out of which nearly 1.1 crore are out of schools, and the Act makes it obligatory for the appropriate government to ensure that every child gets free elementary education. This is the first time that a fundamental right has been added to the Constitution of India since its promulgation in 1950. The Act seeks to make several changes in the country's elementary education system. The concept of neighborhood schools and 25% reservation for children from weaker section in class one of all private schools are some encouraging steps. The effort is also being made for improving the quality of education by regulating student-teacher ratio and imparting requisite training to teachers. The law will be benefit to close to 1 crore children who do not go to school at present, but its implementation will be challenging for the government. The government will have to appoint 12 lakh teachers within 6 months, and these teachers will have to be trained within the next 5 years. The center and the states have agreed to share the financial burden in the ratio 55:45, while the Finance Commission has given 25,000 crore to the states for implementing Act. The center has approved an outlay of 15,000 crore for 2010 to 2011. Doctor, the education is the concurrent list underlines the need for the better cooperation at all levels. There seems one shortcoming that it does not speak about millions of children who are in the age group of 0 to 5 years. It is not that the situation should again be amended and the children of age group of years should be included, as by the time the child reaches the age of 6 years, she gets into child labor due to the poverty. Moreover, the situation only ensures that the state shall provide primary education to the age group of 14 years, and the secondary and higher education is stringent and conditional upon the economic capacity of the state. The right to education will be meaningful only if at all the levels of education reaches to the section of people. Otherwise, it will fail to achieve the target set out by founder fathers to make Indian society egalitarian society. So this is all about right to education. Thank you and have a nice day.